Well, good morning, all my Facebook family and friends. So they're closing in on me. They're closing in on me. So I'm making the best I can out of my memorial here. Now this is located right here outside of Fruitville and I-75. This right here is the state property. I believe this belongs to the county. Right here, this strip with all these trees. And over here is where I live on the other side of the fence, okay? And this property is for sale. This is my sanctuary. I don't know if this patch could be touched because these trees are 300 to 500-year-old trees. Anyways, so I woke up and look at my little sanctuary here. Look at, isn't that wonderful? Yes, the American flag. And this is where Evan, wake up. Looks like a dead horse here. So anyways, I'm gonna go back here. Look at these beautiful trees. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's my beautiful tree in my sanctuary. So anyways, this is outside my fence. See my fence? This is where I live. I don't know what's happening over here. Look at this. This is where I live. Must be a mess. I don't know. Maybe they're doing something for AT&T tower. There's an AT&T tower there. Maybe they're drilling for oil. Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see. So listen. This is where I live on this side of the fence. This is what I built. This is what I built. Look at these trees. Look at these trees. They're beautiful. Look at these trees. What's happening over here? Let's see what's happening over here. Oh, they're drilling for oil, maybe. I don't know. Oh. Wow, cool. Are we drilling